Welcome. This is day 10 of Arnie's demo, and I won't be going live anytime soon. Actually, I won't be going live at all for quite another year. And here's the reason why. Because I want to be consistently profitable on these financial sisters. And if I'm not consistently profitable, it's not worth going live. But today has been a very well played day. And the reason is I caught this uptrend on the gold and made my 90 bucks in 4 trades. Totally wonderful. And how did I do that? Again, our trading plan is to wait for the pin lot to cross up through the MACD slow. And here we're not counter trading because MACD slow is above the 0 and the 5 is above the 40. So we're supposed to take longs. So took that long, and knowing full well that the cycle of the MACD needs to complete, and the MACD hasn't created its peak yet, the MACD slow, I knew that, okay, with this retrace here and the V-lot threatening to go cross down through the 0, and when the pin V-lot crosses down through the 0, you should be totally out because there's no more hope that that will go to the upside unless you're going to have a continued trend up, in which case the MACD slow will go outside the upper mids in this case. So beautiful. Took that up, made the 90 bucks, got out. On the oil was a little bit iffy, but there was a chance for us to take that short right here, even though there is no pin lot crossing of the slow MACD. That 0 cross of the slow MACD is enough with the pin V lot going with you. So yes, we could have taken that short and we would be out right here. We would be out now. Now, here on the financial sisters, I took this short knowing full well that the cycle needs to complete. What cycle is that? The MACD created its peak, so therefore it either heads down to the 0 to cross down through the 0 or bounce off the 0. So initially I made my money by going in here and noticed that it went up against me, but I had enough confidence that we're going to come back down again because of the cycle rule. Once you crossed up through the 0, you've got to create a peak and then head back towards the 0, either to bounce off the 0 or go through the 0. So with that knowledge of cycle rule, I just held on and made my initial money here. And then I made a little more money here, taking this down. But that wasn't much. Overall, $10. This one would have been more, but I think it got eaten up. Let's see how much it got eaten up with me going in. Yeah, because I should have gotten... this is not right. Let's change the labels here. Price difference, currency value is essentially what we're looking at, and there we go. Angle we're not concerned with. Percent change we're not concerned with, but time difference we are. Okay, and oops, let me delete that. Just bear with me. I need to go here and save this off so that this is the configuration that'll always happen. So that should have been $20, but with me going in and out on that last turn, really knocked it down to 10. Let me now delete this because we're just taking a measure. Okay, what else? The other feature was on the ES. I did the same thing. It backed up on us, but here I didn't go in and out, so therefore I preserved my profit. So that's a lesson in preserving your profit. Don't go in and out anymore. And on the ES, I made I had a negative, got rid of the negative, and then made a little money. But since I went in and out again, instead of keeping my money that I made, I lost some. So I'm only $5 positive there. But that's it. That really is. Um, if I had not gone in again on the financial sisters, I would have been fine and made more money. But really, the well played is for this morning production is this gold. Wonderfully played. And now the financial sisters are essentially just going to go sideways, not doing much of anything. Let me make sure that it's at the very end. Yep, just going sideways. Um, Although we did have a crossing, but we can't yet take the long until the MACD on the Dow goes above the zero, like it's doing now. So now we can risk taking that long. But as you notice, that VLOT does not have much power, and since VLOT was already going sideways, no, you wouldn't go take a long. We have weaknesses on the financial sisters. They're not going to be too good to us. So the play of the day was really the short on the oil and the long on the gold, and that would have made us the money. But at least I remained positive on the financial sisters. So wow, I am very happy. So until next time, this layout is truly working well for us if we obey our trading plan. Essentially, we need to get out on the color change of the pin VLOT of the financial sisters. Got no choice. If you want to preserve your profit, you just need to get out the color change. But in truth, if you can trust your slow MACD, yeah, that was a downtrend, 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 downtrend until right here. Go ahead and take your profit, get out. What a wonderful blessing the STO lines are. Take care.